Alright, this is real 3-card money, street style, no video tricks at all. So you have 2 red queens and 1 black queen, and I'm going to ask you to please follow the black queen. Keep an eye on the black queen, keep an eye on the black queen. Okay, here we go. Okay, which is the black queen? This card over here. Alright, great job, you just made yourself some money. Give me another chance to make my money back. Follow the black queen, follow the black queen, follow the black queen. There you go, which is the black queen. Okay, great job. So, looks like you're in complete control here. Are you willing to make a much larger bet?
Yes.
Great. Here we go. A big bet on the table. Follow the black queen. Follow the black queen. Okay. Which is the black queen? Alright, with a lot of money on the table, this is your choice, and sorry, try again. Here it is.